preparation of all these things, okay, with the variant name, what is the exact program name that we have done? That is RFOB 5200. Based on that, you have entered some of the details. When you enter the some of the details with the opening and closing uh, periods for the customer account and vendor account and GL account, those are in preparation phase. Okay. When that is in preparation phase, we need to go for the execution phase. Okay, so that is the execution phase only, right? So what we need to do is give /n, and we will take the screenshot of OB52. Give /n, ma'am. Give /n. Go to the transaction code OB52. No issue. Take out the new screen. Take out the new screen. Go to the transaction code OB52 and give your posting period variant. Go to the continue option. So I will take the screenshot. Give me 1 second. Now give /n, ma'am, and go to the SAP Easy Access screen. So you have SAP Easy Access. See, every time you need to remember the path. So every day I remember some of the paths, all of you. I mean, I recall the paths, that is SAP Easy Access, like cross application components, SAP S/4HANA financial closing cockpit, FCL OCO financial closing cockpit execution list is there, right? And open the cross application components and SAP S/4HANA closing cockpit, financial closing cockpit, and you have execution list line, right? FCLOCO. That is a financial closing cockpit execution list or the execution GANTT. Okay, we just use the execution list, all of you, and for the technical people, they just use the GANT. We can also use it, but for reference, so we just use the financial closing cockpit execution list, that is FCLOCO. Select it, ma'am. Execute it. Then click on execute. Click on open and collapse our MAL2 yes, and select the date and click on continue option. Okay. Yes, you can yes, controlling area and company code, and open the 4 closing tasks at period end. And in that, double click on the financial accounting. Double click on financial accounting. So you have the opening new posting periods are there, right, ma'am? For our own task we have created, right? First one. Yes, select it. Select it. See, all of you, you have the complete opening posting period options that you have prepared in the preparation cockpit list. Okay, so whatever the things that we have, so you can able to have the number of options under this execution list. Okay, so bulk quantity only you can able to execute it, or if you want to execute own thing, I mean whatever the particular tasks that you have created in preparation lists, you can able to execute that task in the execution list only. Okay, so what we need to do is, so you need to select it, select that one, select, or else go to the edit option. No, go to the edit or display option first of all. Yes. Now select this thing, ma'am. Select it. Right side, execute option is there, right? Select that thing. You don't have any execute option above. Go up. No. In the task ID, you have options, right? You don't have any execute options, huh? Okay, you have only type and execution type is there, right? Okay, now what do you need to do is execute it, ma'am. That one 66 text task ID is 66, right? Execute that program. Yes. Why you don't have any execution list, Ebo? Select after, I mean, in the execution, left side, select it. Select the program, ma'am. Left side, there is a small box, right? Left, not the right. Uh, Select, not the select all. No, no, no. Select only this 66 open on posting periods and all. No, ma'am. Box is there, right? Select that box. Blank box is there, right? Left side. That is the thing that I wanted to tell you. Uh, why you are not having any execution list? Go up, ma'am. Some here. Ma'am, don't be in a hurry. Okay. Go up. No, no, no. Go up. Type up. You have some of the options, right? No, 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 ma'am. Between what how to say task ID is there, right? Go up, there is a options, right? Task ID is there, right? Here type task ID, task descriptions and all, right? So in between you have options, filter options, reset option, those options I am talking about. Right side, come down, come right side, come right side, refresh display, choose layout. See, why you're not having execution option? You should have execute option. Why you are not having execute option? In the type only, double click on it, that program, double click on it. Execute it. Why you don't have execute option? You should have it. You're not having, ma'am, go to the change layout. Change layout here. Here only you have change layout, right? Come down. Go to the choose layout. Why don't you have any execute option? Continue. What is this thing? Why you are not having execution option? Should have it. Mm. You should have the execute task line. Last option. What is the last option, ma'am? Go up. No. This is export. Why you're not having? Go to the edit or display option, ma'am. Display or change option. Yes. You do one thing. Double click on financial accounting. Double click on financial accounting. You're not having the execute option. Go to the template or task list. Go up. Template or task list. We have execute option. Go up. No. Go to the edit option. Edit. No. Go to customizing. Go to the customizing. No. Not this thing. Remove it. See why you're not having any. See, you should have execute tasks online will be there. Okay, that should be there. See, to execute all these things, we should have one thing, right? Why you're not having these things? I mean, in that options only, you have to have execute option. Can anyone check your system? I mean, go to the S4 HANA, open the SAP Easy Access and open the financial closing cockpit. I mean, cross application component S4 HANA financial closing cockpit, and open the execution list. Cross application components and SAP S4 HANA. Can anyone check Gion or Venkat? It is in a preparation list. Go to the financial closing execution list. Execution list. FCLOCO. Open that one. Same thing. No. I am saying that for their system, they do have any executions or not. I'm asking. You don't worry. Go to that execution list. Why you are not? Go to the filter option, ma'am. Go to the filter.
No, 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 no. Come down. Okay. These are all the column names. Okay, remove it. Remove it. No issue. Hmm. Why you're not having any execution option? I mean, between filter option and change layout option, you do have execute option. That is the thing that I wanted to show you. Set filter, refresh display, choose layout. After that, details. Why it is not having? Ma'am, go to the icon legend and all. Uh, After that screen, manual refresh. Icon legend. Yes. Take out icon legend. Cancelled node program flow definition.